One guy, one screwdriver.
Oh my god, that was so nasty.
You saw it?
Yes.
Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me.
What happened to you doing a recap of every week?
Child, pay it. Okay. I'm gonna make one. My hair looks a mess. Oh, I should probably take off these glasses because they can probably see the inside of what's going on, and I don't want to end up getting banned from YouTube and Facebook for showing obscene content. So let's go to Frozen Boyfriend's page because that's where the link was.
I'm gonna back.
All right, you take care now.
All right.
Let's go to prepare myself. It's always, what the hell is this? I'm confused. Okay, so what do I click on? Okay, that isn't it. Is it this? Oh my lord. What is going on? My skin itches. Oh! Oh! Oh no. Why, God? Oh, my back. Why is it necessary? What is the tea? What is all of the tea? Is it herbal? Oh, God. Is this on YouTube? Oh, my God. That is fucking sick. Ooh, all that blood. Lord. Why is there a glass plate with blood? Must have been used for crack, because that's the only way that somebody could be able to do something like that and enjoy themselves, by being on crack. That's that crack. And on that note, I put back on my glasses and shut this video the fuck down and pray. What the hell is wrong with people? I was going to say something, but I can't. Because I don't even want to describe what I just saw. Ridiculous mess. Fucking Himalayan whistle children. Fucking series of hoots and clicks.